I am so pumped, guys. Alright, so I am about to go and give my bike a little bath. Give her a good old-fashioned bath. Gonna go out for a ride with all the good old homies. And we're gonna have ourselves a good old-fashioned fun day. I don't know. It's a nice Saturday. The weather is awesome. There's a little bit of a breeze, so sorry if it's windy. But let's get this show on the road. We're gonna be looking real good. Alright, party people. We're on our way to the good old-fashioned self-service car wash. I'm gonna give my bike a quick bath, meet up with the homies, and then we're gonna go and have ourselves some good old fun riding around town. I'm gonna try to get some shots. Give her a good old-fashioned bath. You know, wash her down real good, get in there nice and deep like. Make sure she's not dirty no more. Don't want her to be a dirty bike no more. We're gonna go give her a good old clean, meet up with some good old buddies, just have a good old-fashioned ride. Nice day out. Weather is perfect. Feels great. Brought my camera and my drone, so I'll be moto vlogging with you guys, traditional vlogging with you guys. I am so excited. Such a nice day out. Let's get the show on the road. But we are already on the road, so the show is here because we are this show. Are we really a channel, a YouTube channel? Let's get it going. Man, getting my motorcycle license and buying this motorcycle was probably one of the best decisions I ever made. And then seeing my good buddies, you know, making the same decisions. Now we can go on rides together, have some fun, just enjoy the outdoors. I looked up this car wash on Google, and oh, there it is. There she blows. That looks kind of cool. Next to this public storage. Ooh. That smells good. Smells like meathead. My favorite. Oh, she's looking pretty, boys. She's looking pretty. Ooh, baby. I'm so wet. I hope you guys enjoy some of those videos, some of those shots. I had a freaking good time with all my pals. Just getting to ride around. I don't think I got any shots of us actually riding around. But hopefully you guys like the drone shots, some of the other things I got. But man, that was a good old time. Now time to go home and play some Call of Duty. So stick around to the channel. If you guys like what y'all saw, go ahead and like and subscribe.